So I think I tried cleaning this knob a while back, and you know, it's sort of shiny, but being a perfectionist, let's try and get it looking like new again. So same trick, use the drill and use this fiber pad and some silver polish. Even though it's aluminum, the people that made the silver polish are pretty smart. So spin it about. Yeah, I can never do this well with my hand, and it takes no work at all on my part. How'd that come out? Not so good. Worse. Camera won't focus. Come on, focus. Well, the middle is kind of whacked, but the outer part looks better. So how do you fix that? I don't know. Maybe put pressure on it like that. Middle of that knob is not doing so well. So the pad looks pretty black from the crap on these knobs, huh? 60 years of crap. So I'm pushing my index finger down onto the side of the knob now, index finger on the center of the knob, to try and get the center to contact the cleaning surface. All right, what did that do? It looks what? Scary. Hey, look at that. That cleaned it up pretty good. I'm gonna call that one a success. All right, 2 knobs down. How do you like that? Works like a champ.